Hey, Mr. Dorhout, when are we allowed in the building?
You are allowed in the building at 7:45, not before. So make sure you have a conversation with your parents. My supervisors are here at 7:45, ready for you. So that's when people are supposed to come to school.
When do we serve breakfast?
We start serving breakfast at 7:45. We've been a little lax with that, and we're going to go back to 7:45 because my cooks are super busy trying to prepare all those breakfasts because we've got a bunch more kids that are eating, which I think is great. And just so you know, everyone, it is free breakfast, and it starts serving at 7:45 and gets done at 8:10.
What's different about breakfast starting tomorrow?
Oh, the thing that's different starting tomorrow is that we're going to use the computer to record who eats breakfast. So just like lunch, you'll give your four-digit code, and when you're done doing that, you can go through the line like you normally would.
Where do we go after breakfast?
After breakfast, if we're outside, you'll just head right outside, and remember to stay outside until 8:17. That's when I'll dismiss kids, and then you can go inside. If we are inside, just use the main hallway, go past the library and the office, and then head directly to the gym. I don't want you to go upstairs or anything like that or put anything else away, and make sure that you social distance when we get into the gym. I don't want a fiasco like we had today. Okay? So, one other thing, I need you to stay
Stay safe.
safe.